I'm facing a high CPC issue, $5-6 on my single keyword. There are long tail keywords with good search volume and low competition according to the data dive tool. I'm selling the product at $32 according to market average price per count. The price is good and the graphics are also strong, but content-wise covering all required details and visually. What should I do at this point? Let me think through with you. I think really important is that I want to be just upfront with you. There are certain categories where you would have to pay a lot upfront. You would have to think of upfront value of the customer rather than present value. So if $5 to $6 a cost per click for the one keyword and it's $32 the product, I'm assuming that at this point you're running at least a 200% ACoS if you're going for a 10% conversion rate, even higher. Which means that on the long term, is there a way for you to create additional value from whatever you're selling? For example, is there a subscribe and save option? Is there an option for you to create maybe to sell a 2-pack instead of the 1-pack, or to bundle them in such a way that you can bring up the average order value even if they would buy only one product? And also when it comes down to graphics, are strong compared to who? Compared to your best sellers? Is it strong enough compared to them? Did you run any Pigfoot test? Did you run any A/B testing? So you have clear data that is showing that to you. Why am I asking and why am I strategizing this way with you? Most of the time it can be that you are considering that everything is strong and everything is fixed. And the question comes from the point of view of, I'm doing everything right. What else can I do? Really important whenever I personally have this point of approaching things, I'm always asking, do I really have data to back me up? Because the PPC issue, hey, your CPC is $5, $6, and the product cost is $30, that is math. And probably you might be running ads for something that is cheaper in that case, if it's possible, or bring up the average order value of the product in a way or another. But when it comes down to creatives, do you actually have data that your creatives are better? Why am I saying this is because most of the time what I'm seeing, Amazon is really a platform of convenience. So cheaper people can get a product, higher the likelihood that they are going to convert. I am just shopping on Amazon, whatever I like. Hey, do I like the design? And also, is it cheap enough? Right now, probably I'm in this stage because this is what I could afford, right? If I'm going to do 100 millions, I'm not even looking at price. But technically, how many 100 millionaires are shopping on Amazon? Highly likely there's a lower chance for them to shop on Amazon. So right now, if your customer cannot really afford to pay more, then creative is the most single lever here that I've seen. It works way better if you're going to have proof and data. And even if you're going to take your main image and you're comparing your main image against your competitors and see, hey, am I actually winning when it comes down to the click itself? Because what can happen in this case is that $5 or $6, especially if it's so high compared to your price, retail price, the plan there is to convert quicker. So what is our action plan for us to convert quicker? This is how I would go through it and look through and analyze the situation.